Hello my dear students, so today is a few question answer we discuss. The first question you say, my dear students, what is called for the collections of rainwater for use? So see the option very properly my dear students: rain collection, rainwater harvesting, rain digging, rainwater pumping. So the correct answer, think out students. Yes, the correct answer is, my dear students, rainwater harvesting is the correct answer. So yes my dear students, the collection of rainwater for use is the rainwater harvesting. Now moving to the next question my dear students. So next questions: earth is called blue planet because of presence of air, presence of soil, presence of water, none of this. So what is your answer? Think how it starts. So the correct answer students, correct answers for these questions is the presence of waters. Yes my dear students. Next questions: color of water is white, gray, dark, colorless. So think out students. So the color of water is colorless. Yes my dear student, colorless is the correct answer. Next question: World Water Day is celebrated on 25th March, 28th March, 22 March, 23rd March. Now start thinking students, what is the correct answer? So the correct answer is 22 March. Yes my dear students, the taste of water of sea and oceans is sweet, tasteless, bitter, salty. Start thinking students, what is the answers for these questions? So the correct answer is, my dear students, salty. Yes. So the next questions: write true, false for the following statement. See students, rain and snow are the main sources of water. So the correct answer is, start thinking students, is the statement is true or false? It is the true or false statement. Yes my dear students, it is the true statements. So next questions: keep the water running when you brush your teeth wastes a lot of water. Is it my dear students, is it true or false? Exactly, it is a true. So big factory do not need large amount of water. Is that true or false my dear students? Is the statement is true or false? Big factory do not need a large amount of water. Is it the exactly the answer is false. Increasing populations, increasing the demand of water. What are you thinking students? What is the answers for these questions? These statements? So the correct answer my dear students, get ready for the correct answer. The correct answer is true statements. So we can avoid wastage of water by using water after rinsing vegetables for watering plants. So the correct answer students, correct answer is for these questions true. Exactly, the correct answer is true. So students, now we discuss few questions from these activities revision portions. So why is water important? Water is one of the most important substances. My dear students, if there is no water, there will be no life. Yes, all plants and animals must need water to survive. And agriculture purposes, farming, gardening, fisheries, everything you need waters. Domestic purpose, cooking, drinking, bathing, washing. So everywhere we need waters. Industrial purposes, manufacturing purposes. Domestic water is used for indoor and outdoors activities. So look at here students. So where cause of water wastage, so leaking of water at many places like railway station, government places, home taps, colonial pumps. So you see the everywhere water is leaking. Our water from taps is unseen and a major cause of water wasting. So water flowing from bucket in homes and many places, so it's lead to a great amount of loss in water. So leaking water from tap is unseen and a major cause of water wasting. So we should need a proper initiative to stop the wastage of water. Understood students? So say here. So the now next question: how to save water? We can save water in these ways. Don't waste water unnecessarily in gardens. Store more water when you can save it. We have to try less water in washing of clothes. So this is the answer how to save water. More if we write in this portion how to save water. You can write it by your own. Use less water when we brushing our teeth. If anywhere in our house there are any leakage in pipe, then fix it first. Don't waste too much water in washing of cars and bikes. So we need to take a proper management of water resource. So first we do this thing. The next questions: why do we need to save water? Yes, so we should save water because it plays a vital role in our life. That's the reason. So water is very useful in our daily life. It plays an important role. What important role, students? Just to think, water is used for daily purposes like bathing, cleaning floor, car, washing clothes, cooking. So, my dear students, we can live 1 week without food, but we can't live without water a single day also. You write the answer like this by your own also. We should also save water for our future generations. So, answer should be think how to save water, what are the importance of water. Then you write, my dear students.
Of all living organisms. As the water available for us is only very less, there is a need for conservation of water. Never waste water. This is the best method of conservation. If possible, try to reuse it. For example, water used for cleaning dishes can be redirected to plants. Some of the tips for saving water. Never leave the tap open while brushing or cleaning dishes. Do not leave leaky taps as such. Get them repaired. Take bath with water from a bucket rather than using a shower. Construction of reservoirs and dam is also a better means of water conservation. Rainwater harvesting. Collection of rainwater and then making use of it either as such or allowing it to flow under the ground so that groundwater levels are increased is called rainwater harvesting. This is a system in which rainwater that falls on the roofs of houses is collected and flows through pipes into storage tanks. This water is filtered and used for household purposes. Otherwise, the pipes can be directed into the ground so that water seeps into the ground. In cities, roads are built of concrete and water that falls on concrete flows into the drains. This can be avoided and water from the roads and buildings can be redirected to roadside drains that collect water and allow it to seep into the ground.
So from the video we get a clear ideas what are the ways to conserve water. So today's topic we already discussed. So my dear students, revise it well, very nicely. Go through the questions. You will get one PDFs of these activities. So please write in your copy. So that's all for today class, students. Please revise it well and collect all the PDFs very properly on times before the examinations. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.